If you've been looking for a way to get into wireless microphones for your video recordings, check these guys out. This is the 3-in-1 wireless system, and I gotta say, I think this thing is phenomenal. Now, the brand that makes this was nice enough to send this out to me to check it out, and we're gonna be unboxing it real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Fair warning, I've already unboxed this and used it to make sure it works. You get the manual right out of the gate. It's right here. It shows you what's in it, and then everything comes in this really nice case here. So we're gonna go ahead and open this case up, and what you have here is you have the two transmitters, and the transmitters have these wind covers on them, and they're very nice. I think they call these dead cats. And it works very, very well. So you get two of these transmitters here. So 1, 2, both have the dead cats on there. And then you also get this guy right here, which comes in handy when you look at the transmitter. Now the transmitter has a lightning connector, a USB-C connector, and a TRRS connector right here for your traditional cameras. However, sometimes traditional cameras don't like that, which they included this right here, which is a TRRS to TRS converter. So you have the ability to plug this into any platform in order to be able to transmit your wireless audio. And then finally, they also have this cable here. There's a USB-A to dual USB-C cable for charging all of this stuff. And then you have this nice case to hold it all in. Now, real quick, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to disconnect my current wireless mic, and I'm going to switch it over to this one so you can hear exactly what it sounds like. All right, so you are now listening to the wireless mic here. I'm talking into it, and I'm in front of a big box, so you might hear a little bit of echo coming off of this, but they have the ability to, if I can click it, there we go. All right, now we're in noise cancellation mode. So noise cancellation is built into the transmitter here. I'm going to click it again and turn it off. Now noise cancellation is off. So all in all, this is what you get. So if you're looking to be able to do wireless microphone transmission very easily to cameras and stuff, this thing is phenomenal. I think this is a great device, and I think it's incredible, especially if you're just getting into it. I think this is going to be exactly what you need. You're hearing my voice directly into it. I'm not editing this audio right now. So if you're in the market, I highly recommend this guy.